Hi and welcome to Alejandro Fixes It. So this is a special episode. If you find yourself in Japan, you may wonder what the hell is happening with these very complicated looking toilets. So I'm gonna go over the basics quickly on how to use these amazing toilets. First of all, if you see the button to the furthest right, that will be flushing it. You can open this elaborate looking thing, and it actually has a mechanism to wash your butt and get your ass completely sparkling clean. And when you see this, you first do your business, then you pick one of these buttons to flush it. If you're going number one, you do either one of these. If you're going number two, you want to do this one. Then after you do your business, you're gonna pick your washing preference. For example, this one will wash the front and the back. This one will give some sort of spray that is pretty smooth wash, and this one will be like a straight thing that's gonna clean your ass pretty well. Then these two will control the intensity, down and up. These ones, I believe, control the intensity of the front side. This one will control the temperature down and up. And I'm not really sure what these ones do. And sometimes if the toilet is even more elaborate, they're gonna have another button here to dry your butt after you're done with your business. So once you want one of these to stop, you just click this stop button and voila. Amazing. Thank you.